Hey Mark, what can you tell us about make extension?
Make extension will create extension methods for you for the method at the caret for one of the types of the parameters coming in. So for example, here I've got a method called encrypt. You can see up here I'm calling it, and I've got this assignment to this string called round trip where I'm just encrypting and then I'm decrypting, passing in the same key, and I'm checking to make sure that the encryption and decryption both work.
Yep.
I can change these instead of having methods here. I might want to actually, it might make sense to have these outside of this class so that I can use them on any string in just the dot calling, right? So I just type in the name of I have the string and I type in the dot and then it gives it to me. And so to do that, I just put the caret on the at the start of the method, hit the CodeRush key, choose make extension, and then I can choose which of the parameters I want to make it an extension on. And I'm going to have it be on the first parameter, the string that we're going to encrypt, not the key. Mm-hmm. And although I suppose I could do it on the key as well, but I'm going to do it this way right here, the first one. So I'll choose that. It asks me where I want to put the class. I'll just put it right up here. So it's created a new class called extensions for me. There it is right there. And there's the extension method. So that's essentially all I have to do. If I hit escape to get back, you'll notice that it's updated this call right here. So now it's just got testString.encryptive key. I can do the same thing down here for the decrypt method, just very quickly. Come down there, hit the CodeRush key, make extension on the stir parameter, pop it in there. It's now inside of this location. Don't need to do anything else. Just hit escape to get out. And now our class looks like this, right? Instead of having that there in the class, I now can do it on any string, right? TestString.encrypt.
That's great.
Key.decryptive key.
That's really nice. That's a way of taking a utility method that you're used to calling and just making it appear as if it's part of the original string class in this case. Makes it much easier to read, much more pleasant and more English-like in many ways. So again, making your code more readable.
Right. Notice I can even come down here if I wanted to encrypt, for example, the exception message, which is one of my favorite things to do as a developer. Just kidding. But I could do that. I can do it in encrypt followed by a decrypt on it, exactly right like that, for example, if I wanted to.
Sure. Very nice.
So yeah, so I can, the extension method is available on all strings, so I can use it everywhere now. So just a nice way to create extension methods.
Very nice. Great stuff.